Skimmias are a wonderful evergreen shrub that can really bring some interest to a shady part of your border. They have lovely open and fragrant flowers in May and June, and then in the autumn and winter they produce wonderful berries. So a question that we often get asked is, why isn't my Skimmia producing berries? I am afraid that it is much like holly, where you need to have a male and a female nearby each other for them to pollinate. A male plant is a Skimmia rubella, this one here, and a female one being a Skimmia fructo-alba. There are sorts that have both male and female flowers on the plant, and that one is a Skimmia reevesiana red roof. That one is self-fertile, and you'll be able to just plant that single plant and it will have the flowers in the spring and the berries in the autumn. But if I were to plant both of these in my garden, I would be sure to have the flowers and the berries, and I've got more lovely shrub in my garden.